Welcome to MonBoLand! Hello, my friends! Today we will learn to count through a funny song, 10 Little Animals.
1 little, 2 little, 3 little chickens, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little chickens, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little chickens, 10 little fluffy chickens. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little pigs, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little pigs, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little pigs, 10 little happy pigs. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little rabbits, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little rabbits, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little rabbits, 10 little hopping rabbits. 10 little animals, one more time. Counting numbers feels so fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 little animals, one more time. Counting numbers feels so fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little sheeps, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little sheeps, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little sheeps, 10 little fluffy sheeps. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little monkeys, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little monkeys, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little monkeys, 10 little playful monkeys. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little squirrels, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little squirrels, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little squirrels, 10 little fun squirrels. 10 little animals, one more time. Counting numbers feels so fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,